Hello students, let's continue with the topic types and drafting of business letter. In our last lecture, we have seen the new topic, that is circular letters. We had seen what are circular letter. As I told you, circular letter is mainly written to the customers here, where the person, the firm wants the customers to know about the, you can say, daily matters of the organization. If they are making changes in the premises, if they are introducing a new shop, if they are launching a new product in the market, and the other things are like if they want, they are reducing the price of their product, if they are announcing clearance sales, obtaining their, if they want to obtain any agency, if they are having a new partner with them in their firm, if if there is death of the partner, if the partner is retiring from the post, or you can say if they want to make change in the, they are making change in the policy of the firm. For all these reasons, circular letters are written. In the last lecture, we had discussed 3 circular letters. Now today we are going to start with this one, that is price reduction and clearance sales. So let's start. Now, children, when you are writing a circular letter for reduction in prices, first thing you have to keep in mind that you have to preferably start in the letter like mentioning the reduced price of the your popular article, and you have to write about the goods and the reduced prices here. You have to give the date of commencement from when the reduction sale will start, and you have to mention the period also. For that reason, you have to mention the reasons for such reduction sale or clearance sale of a shop, any good or any damaged products or shifting premises, nothing like that all. And you have to give them the special timing of that reduction sale. You have to suggest the customer that they should pay visit to the store as early as possible to take advantage of the wide range of goods available at the beginning of the sale only. So let's see how to write this letter. See, a circular letter announcing reduction in prices. Date, salutation. We offer you crocodile shirt regular price 256 for only rupees 128. See, at the start, at the beginning only, what is happening here? You are trying to tell them that the regular price is this one and we have reduced the price of that crocodile shirt to 128. So you have to keep in mind when you are announcing reduction in prices, in the first line itself you have to tell them about the what was the regular price and now and what is the present reduction price now. That's right, you can get a crocodile shirt at half price. Means you are trying to tell them what is the difference between both the prices here. So to attract the attention of the reader. Then you have to give reason here. We have many other products to offer you at extraordinarily reduced prices when this private reduction sale begins on 12th October and why. You have to tell them not only this, but on our other product also you will get reduced prices, and you have to inform them about the date from when this sale is going to begin. First, it is the 20th anniversary of our store, serving you with an intense desire to satisfy you always. Now the reason why are you introducing the sale here, why are you reducing the price here, you can say. So the main reason you have to tell them here that it is our 10th anniversary, so we are introducing the sale here, or we are reducing the prices. Secondly, we have decided to move to our own spacious building, Liberty House, Station Road. In order to make room for the new arrivals, we are offering this grand reduction sale. Now, the other reason also you can tell them that as we are moving at other place, so we want the place to have new things there. So whatever old stock we have, for that reason we are introducing the sale, so that we can just sell those things here only, and at the new place we can start our business with new or you can say modified products. In order to avoid rush of customers, we have kept different timings for your shopping at reduced prices. Means that the customers who are coming here for their regular visit or regular purchase, their timing is different, and the person who are coming here to get the products on the reduced sale here, for them the timing is different. That also you have to inform them. And you have to also tell them that this reduced product, you can say the reduction in the prices will be then mainly for particular time only, limited time only. So that date also you should give them. So hurry up, visit us as soon as you can. Delay may disappoint you, means after this date you may not get the things in the reduced prices. And you also should inform them that the stocks are limited and the handsome reduction in prices are expected to attract large number of customers. You have to tell them that the products are good and we are really, because it is the anniversary, 10th anniversary of our shop or our firm, and we are moving to the new place, so that's why we have just reduced the prices here. So many customers are coming because the products are really good. So if you come late, you will be disappointed. So come as early as possible. So I hope you have understood this. After that, you have to see here, obtaining an agency here. A circular announcing opening of a new shop. Address here. You have to keep in mind, you have to mention you can say a first line itself, you will tell them that you are opening a new branch. You have to also inform, in your letter you have to inform them the date of the inauguration. You have to mention the goods that you're going to sell in your new firm now. You have to tell them how they can consult you, whether it is a proprietor or partnership concern, or what will be the state of experience qualification of the proprietor, means the person who is in charge of that new firm. You have to also tell them that what things that can be offered to them, what type of service they will get, everything in detail you have to inform them. See here the letter. Welcome to our store. We have great pleasure in extending you a most cordial welcome to this store at the above address. The new address you have to mention here. The store will be declared open by the respectable President of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce on 1st October, who is going to inaugurate the shop here, and the date when it is the inauguration ceremony is there. And you are inviting them, so you have to tell them you are requested to grace the occasion by your presence. We take this opportunity to invite you to make this store your shopping center for any of your requirement in, means if you want to buy anything like stationery, greeting cards, exclusive gifts, children toys, ladies and gents wear, domestic utensil, refrigerators, cookers, heaters, electrical appliances, garden equipment, books, general school and college, and much more related to general school and colleges. And all those things, if you want to buy, you can come to our store, you can get it. So we really invite you to come and visit our store. You will find it very interesting and it will really please you. And in addition to goods to meet your individual and family requirement, we also stock office equipment and stationery. That also you have to inform them in your letter. Then the store is a firm of 5 partners with adequate capital investment. You have to also inform them that we have 5 partners with us and they have long years of experience in dealing with customer goods. The senior partner, you have to write the name of the senior partner, the qualification of the person who possesses a diploma in management, has a standing experience of 10 years in the marketing of customer goods and manages it. We are confident that a personal visit will certainly satisfy you with regards to the large assortment of our stock, reasonable prices, high standards, and what is more, prompt and courteous service with a smile. May we have the pleasure of meeting you soon. Means in this way you have to tell them that we have started a new firm, you have to invite them for the inauguration, what all things you can get in the firm, and who are the person who are engaged in doing business there. You have to introduce the name of the person who is the main person, their manager there, what is his experience, and the last paragraph you have to tell them here you will find good branded products with reasonable prices, the stock is also new fresh one, and you have to request them to come and visit your place. I hope you have understood this one. Now after that, the next letter you can be Admission of a partner means what happens if you are having you can say a new partner in your firm. Here if you are introducing, you are having a new partner in your firm, then you also have to tell, you have to inform them, you have to inform the people here that we are having a new partner in our firm. So for that reason also you have to write a circular letter. While writing such type of letter, you have to keep in mind certain things. Now these are the same letter, obtaining a, you can say, a new agency here. You can just go through it, pause the video lecture and go through it. The same thing I won't be discussing again with you all. It starts from here. Same thing, one and the same thing. They are starting in the new place. So they are informing you what all things, what prices and who will be looking after it, everything, all that. So just pause the lecture and see. Now this one, as I told you, if you are having a new partner with you in the firm and you want to inform it to your customers, so what will you do? So first thing, you have to mention the reasons of the admission of the partner. The reasons can be like expansion of business, additional investment, or more efficient management. Any reason you can give. Then you have to mention the experience and knowledge of your partner, and you have to try to convince the customer that he is really a good businessman. You have to mention the new name of the firm if you are making, if the new partner is starting with your name in other place. And you have to also tell them about your policy, and you have to try to convince them by saying that last 5 to 10 years we had such a nice business, now we are doing such nice business, and now we really fear, you can say, hope that in future also we continue with the same. See here, dear patron, you have made this possible, means it is only possible because of you. Your continued patronage has helped us expand our business throughout the state. As you know, we supply you everything in sports goods. In order to make it convenient for you to visit our shop and also to ensure prompt deliveries, we have now decided to open a few more delivery centers throughout Karnataka. You have to tell them that our business is expanding here and it is not convenient for us to do it from the same place. For this reason, we are opening a new shop and there we will have a new person there. This network needs for its administration and experience manager. We have the pleasure to inform you that we have admitted to our partnership Mr. A. Jayaraman. He himself is a good sportsman with many achievements during his school and college career. Till recently, he was associated with large manufacturing company in the capacity of deputy sales executive. His experience, his name, his experience. He has thus gained very good knowledge of supervising, controlling and promoting sales. We are sure his admission to our company as a working partner will be beneficial to all of us. Means to you and our firm also. We thank you, dear patron, for your cooperation in the past and trust that you will continue to favor us with the valued business in future also. So in this way, you are going to tell them that the new person will be looking after the firm, name of the person, his experience, how good he is, and at the end you have to remind them that since so many years we are having a good business and in future also you won't find any problem. So in this way you have to tell them. After that, the second last one is retirement or death of a partner. Means if there is a retirement or sudden death of a partner, that also you have to inform them. So while doing that, what you have to do? First you have to express your regret at the loss of the retiring or deceased partner. You have to appreciate the reference to you have to appreciate his work which he has done during his when he was alive, you can say. You have to say whether the vacancy is being filled by the new partner and explain the qualities of the new partner also in the same letter. Or if you have to state the, you have to you can say very nicely tell them that there is change in that particular thing. There you are making all these changes for the sudden you can say sudden demise of your partner, and you have to you have to do it very urgently. You didn't have time, but still you are informing them because you are their valued you can say customer. You have to point the change very nicely. You have to make the customer feel very comfortable. You have to convince them that they may or they will not have any problem in future even though new person is being appointed there. See here, a circular letter announcing the retirement of a partner. Salutation. As an active partner, Mr. Gupta of our firm has been quite familiar to a large number of our customers. Mr. Gupta has been working with us for last 15 years. His keen interest in the business and his pleasant relation with you made him quite popular and helped the expansion of our business, so that we are now one of the leading distributors of potteries in this area. Means you have to tell them how good service this person has given to your firm and how you can say it was beneficial for your firm. Then in the recent past, however, he has been keeping indifferent health as and is now advised by his family doctor to take complete rest. We feel sorry to part from him, but we wish him a peaceful retired life. Means you have to very nicely tell the customer that now he is going to have you can say rest now because of his health issues. So for this reason he is retiring from his post, and we really wish him peaceful retired life. Then you have to inform them. See here, as you are aware, during the continued absence of Mr. Gupta, his entire work was looked after by his son, Mr. Prasad Gupta, who was working with us as an area manager in our Raichur branch. Mr. Prasad Gupta is a young man with many progressive schemes which he has successfully implemented in his area of operation. His presence at our head office will most appropriately fill the vacancy created by his father. Means you have to very nicely tell them that in Mr. Gupta's absence, his son was looking after, and as he is a young person in this field here, he has new ideas with you all, which can be really beneficial for the company here. So we have decided to fill in the post of Mr. Gupta by his son himself. The firm will continue to do business under me, and I hope that you will continue extending us your patronage. Means you have to tell them, though there is change in the person here, but still the business will be done by the firm owner only, and we really hope in future we have good business. In this way you have to inform them. Now after that, the last one you can say here, change in the constitution of the firm. If you are making any change in the constitution of the firm, for that reason also you need to write a letter here, children. Now when you are writing such type, when you are drafting such type of letter, you have to mention the development of business, required additional capital, comprehensive management. Then you have to inform them the change name under which the firm will now do its business. You have to make some reference to the management, that is the number of directors, their qualification, etc. You have to assure them, you have to assure the customer the change in the constitution will not change the firm's you can say services and all to them. You have to request that the customer that in future also they will have good business how they had in the past. Now in such type of letter, first you have to write name of the company, address, date. Thank you for telling us to grow. Means you have to just write the sentence that because of you our business is expanding. Yes, we have grown from April 1. See, you have to tell them that from when you are expanding your business, your company will be known as Milan Company Limited. Means you have to make them feel their own member of the family. Here you have to tell them that a new company now the name will be known as Milan Company Private Limited here. Now so if there is a change in the name, you have to inform in such a way. Your excellent cooperation with us and your valuable support expressed through continued large orders made it necessary for us to increase our working capacity. Means though as you had a good business with us, it allowed us to expand our business. We needed a large capital for which we had to convert the firm into private limited company. Means now why you are changing the name of the company, you are giving the reason here. All the procedural matters have been completed, you have to inform them. We have obtained from the register of the companies, you have to inform them the certificate when you have got it. We have now 7 directors on the board. You have to inform them about the director. All of them have subscribed greatly to the new capital. Each one of them is specialized person in the field of production, management and marketing. However, we assure you that the change in the constitution and the business will not affect the personal relation with our customers. You have to tell them, though there are some changes here in the name, in the board of directors and all, still the working of the company will remain the same. We will still maintain the same personal contact with you and will always be at your service. We even assure you of still wider varieties of our products, larger scale and most competitive prices. Means very branded things you will get in larger scale and in reasonable price. The institution of technical department will help us to improve the designs and quality with a view to producing the most up-to-date products to cater the needs of even more selective and fastidious customer. Means we have divided, we have segregated all the departments and each department will be doing their work. So this technical department will look after the quality of the products and all, and how early or in less period of time it can be delivered to you. Your satisfaction still remains our main motto. Means the customer satisfaction is main in the business, so that you have to remind them. We look forward to your cooperation and continued patronage. Very politely you have to end your letter. So in this way, children, we have seen different types of letters here. Circular letters like opening of a new shop, change in address, introducing a new product, price reduction and clearance sales, obtaining an agency, admission of a partner, retirement or death of a partner, or change in the constitution. For all this reason, you can say a circular letter is written. So with this we have you can say completed the topic, different types of business letter and the way we have to draft it. I have given specimen of all the types of letters in my video lectures. Go through each video lecture and try to practice such types of letter. Thank you.